Okay, so today we are going to look on this chart over here. It's BTC USD, and as we can see from the higher time frame, you can see that the market is really bullish. You can see the market is very bullish because the market managed to close above this price over here, above that price over there. Let me put a mark above this price over here. The market managed to close at that level. Also, from what we can see here, stop. Also the market managed to close above this price point over here. This is another significance that the market managed to close. Also, the price managed to close around the price point around this place over here, and also the market failed the last time to close around the price point of this zone here. So you can see that currently the market is at this price point over there. So but the markets managed to swipe the liquidity and then it failed to close below. So if I mark this high here, if I mark that high here and I mark the whole candle, I'm going to see what was happening during the last month. What was happening inside this candle. So I want to oversee it on the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame is loading up, and you can see that the market didn't manage to tap on this level here. The price wasn't able to come and test this level over here. So that's that's not bad. Also the price managed to break this level there on the weekly. You can see that. No, let me zoom out. The price failed to break this level over here, but what we had what we had in mind is that the market formed this candle here. It's what we had in mind, this candle over there. It's what the market managed to make. So this candle usually indicate that the, there is no momentum to the downside because the price managed to come and swipe out this level here, came and take the price of over this level. Then the candle closed last week, candle closed here, and it showed that there is high momentum to go to the upside. So what I need to do is to maximize this thing so that we can view it properly. As you can see that the market from the daily liquidations, you can see that the market came and swept at this level, then failed to close. And also what the market did, the markets managed to break this low, this higher low over there, and it came and sweep the liquidity here and take the liquidity, and the market is on the move to the upside. Though this is still a level of liquidity in this area here, this area here, this and still a level of liquidity which I thought that the market might come and test it. But as we can see, the momentum of the previous week candle, of previous day candle, it was very high. But you can see here the market made a high point this level here. So at this level here, we want to see the continuation of buyers. But looking at the this was the Monday candlestick. Monday candlestick came inside here and failed to close above it. So let's look on the 4 hours. Let's see if we can have some. So what happened is that the market came at this 4 hour, and the market the market did take some orders from this point here, and the market made a low, which was this one over there. This was the low which was made by the market in the 4 hour time frame. And what we need to see is that the market came to break this level here and make some tests so that we can go to the downside. And what I can see, what I can see from this point here, what I can see from this point here, that the market managed to break this trend here by this point here, and then it made an error of liquidity, which is this one. This one is an error of liquidity, which the market might come and test it, so that the market may have an impulse to go to the upside. But we can see here the market managed to break to create a structure over that point there, this structure here. Let me mark it something like this, something like this. The market managed to make something like this. So I want to see it from the 30 minutes time frame so that I can be very sure of what I'm thinking it might be. So this one is an outside formation which was formed after the break of this level here, and this formation was not yet tested. That formation was not yet tested. Let me see. That formation was not yet tested. This formation over here, the market didn't manage to test it. So what we can observe is that we want to see the market sweeping out this level first, then the market come to this point and sweep the levels, and the market to give us a continuation so that we can go and create more highs. So what I'm expecting from this market is that we need to be humble and wait for the market to come and test this level, because it is still a fresh level which is not yet mitigated, and maybe the price might come to test this level again so that it can move toward the other directions. So what I'm expecting is that maybe this market will come downside here, but before that we can see that the market has already tested this level here. Over here, and we do have a place where most of the trader might want to do some business. This point here, most of the trader will likely to do some business over that area there. So you can see that the previous market has managed to touch this level here. So the level is very strong and the price didn't catch up. So what we need to do is to wait until the market broke this level, then we can know where the price might go. So the only option which was left is this high over here. Let me delete it. Let me delete this line here. This line over here. So only high which was left of this one. So we need to see what the market will do at this level there. So if the market will manage to break at that level, we'll wait and get some more confirmation. But this level here is still untested. This level over here, this area of liquidity which is having some made some, this was inside information from before how it was information from before how it was not tested. So I do think that the market might come again and take this level. So if I look on the 1 hour chart, sorry, my internet is kinda lame. So if I look at the 1 hour chart, I need to see a break of structure over this stone. Then I will need to wait because most people think that this is the high. This one, this over there. This one is not the high because the candle made a high which was this one. So the high which needs to be broken is this one so that we can confirm this area of liquidity. So if the market will not manage to break above this high here, if the price will not be able to manage to break above this high, it means that the market will come to the downside to get to activate some order so that it can go to its intended direction. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. And the market, what it did, it came to this place and reacted over here. So go to the lower time frame, you will get an entry which was lying through this area here, which the market has managed to hit it. So today I anticipated to take this trade, this buy setup over here, over this place, but unfortunately I was little late for this setup over here. So let's wait and see what the market will do.